The stage is set, the tension is palpable, and the world is holding its breath. At the close of yesterday, breaking today for some parts of the world, Spain punched their ticket to the 2026 FIFA World Cup final with a clinical 2-0 masterclass against France. But as the sun set on yesterday's drama, all eyes pivot towards today, July 15, 2026. One man stands at the center of the storm, Lionel Messi. The mission? A historic, almost mythic, third consecutive World Cup final appearance. Before the first whistle blows against England, let's pause to appreciate the gravity of the Messi phenomenon. This isn't just about the player, it's about a living legend who has rewritten every record in the book. As the all-time leading goal scorer in men's World Cup history, Messi's trophy cabinet is less of a collection and more of a sanctuary of footballing greatness. World Cup champion 2022 FIFA World Cup winner, record breaker, 8-time Ballon d'Or recipient, holds the record for the most titles won by any professional footballer in history. A career defined by pivotal goals in major tournaments and a transformative influence on every team he has graced. Getting here hasn't been a walk in the park. Argentina's 2026 campaign has been a roller coaster of grit and late-game heroics. Their quarterfinal against Switzerland was a 3-1 extra-time epic that tested their very souls. Through the fire, Messi has remained the heartbeat of the Albiceleste, proving that while his legs may be older, his genius is timeless. Now they face England, a rivalry steeped in history and a high-octane drama. This isn't just a game, it's a tactical chess match. Can the Argentine maestro wave through England's powerhouse midfield? The world will be watching as these titans collide for a spot in the history books. This isn't just any World Cup, it's a sprawling 48-team spectacle stretching across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. With 104 matches, it's the largest and most ambitious tournament ever staged. Despite the sweltering summer heat and the logistical challenges of a continent-sized event, the sheer electricity of the matches has kept fans on the edge of their seats. If Messi can propel Argentina past the Three Lions, the July 19th final awaits against a formidable Spanish side. A win wouldn't just mean a third straight final, it will be the ultimate mic drop for a career that has redefined what we thought was possible in football. We aren't just watching a tournament, we're witnessing the final chapter of an immortal legacy. As the world prepares for the semi-final, one thing is certain. Regardless of the outcome, the events of July 2026 are already being written into the history books of the global game. Also, if you enjoy football stories that go beyond scores and statistics, stories about the people, the mothers, the dreams, and the pain behind the game, subscribe and follow Do Media for more of these stories. I am Lucio Kereke. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.